Hey guys, it's the plant doctor here. I'm at Lowe's Garden Center. You can see behind me here, it is August the 20th. And behind me, we have plants for sale. And this is what I want to show you in this week's edition of the Plant Doctor. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you a few things. So let's take a look. So oftentimes, this time of year, like I said earlier, you can see here, it's August the 20th. This stuff goes on sale at all your garden centers, okay? Some of these are annuals, petunias. We're not really interested in stuff like that. There's some portulaca on the other shelves back here. But the perennials, this is what I really want to show you guys. All right, so stuff like Dianthus, okay? So full price, $7, $6.98. But if you come over here, we'll have a chart. Anything from $5 to $10 is going to be $4. So you can pick up these nice full Dianthus. You can see how full these are. $4, not bad. So remember, your perennials come back year after year. And that's really what we're after. There's really no value in doing this with your annuals. They're going to last till first frost. For me, that's around sometime between Halloween and Thanksgiving. We'll have a hard frost, a hard freeze, and those guys are going to die back. But let's go take a look at what else they've got over here. So if we walk over here, there's some really good stuff over here. And yes, it is getting into the tail end of the growing season. Let's see, there's Pentas here. So some of this stuff is going to look faded or ragged, which we would expect. We're not interested in the Pentas. We're not interested here. We've got portulaca. We're not interested in that. But here again, the perennials. There's some perennials over here. Let's take a look. All right, so we've got some verbena. Those will come back. Coreopsis. These are $4.48. So if we go over here and look at our chart, we can pick those up for $2. $2. So I can get that whole flat. You know, if there's 10, let's see, there's 10 in here total, I guess, because there's 5 in the flats. So you can get that whole flat for $10. You can't beat this, okay? Really, really good value this time of year with your perennials. So poke around your local retail garden center, see what they got, and it'll really help you with your gardening endeavor. So we've been walking around the garden center here, and if you look back over my left-hand shoulder, there they are. Right there. Back over there is where we were. All right. But they've got these clearance racks all over the garden department. I just found Mexican heather, $1. Folks, it probably cost them $1 to grow this. So you're probably getting this at cost. So just walk around the garden center. They got these clearance racks everywhere, and you're going to score some really nice product here.